In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Salesforce with n8n. Don't worry, I will walk you through every step by step, so it's simple and easy to follow. So first thing first, make sure you are logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, you should be on main Salesforce dashboard. This is where everything starts. Next, open n8n in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your n8n account as well. Now, inside n8, look for the plus icon. Right here, you will see it. Click it will open a menu on the right side of the screen. From this list, search for Salesforce, and select it. After selecting Salesforce, you will see multiple actions you can choose from. For example, things like when a task is created or other triggers, update, get many access, get many flows, update a task. Pick the action that fits and what you want n8n to do. Click on it. And once the action is selected, it's time to set up your credentials. If you already have Salesforce credentials saved, you can simply select them right here. But if this is your first time connecting Salesforce to n8n, you will need to create new credentials. So click on Create New Credential. A new window will open, asking you to fill in the required details. Take your time here and make sure everything is correctly. When you are done, click on Connect My Account, and this window will pop up. So this window will pop up. So here, if you are not signed in into Salesforce, sign in with Salesforce account, and after that you will see here account connected. Now you see that Salesforce is connected, is now successfully, and that's it. Salesforce is now connected to n8n. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate your workflow, save time, and get more value out of Salesforce CRM features combined with n8n and automation power. If you run into any issues, you can always go back through the steps or check the support resource in Salesforce or n8n. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.